You will be surprised at how productive my homegrown tomatoes are. Let's see what I do step by step. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Growing tomatoes is not difficult, but as long as you plant properly and fertilize properly, you will have a very productive tomato garden. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. For a tree to grow healthily, the sapling must be healthy so that when planted, it will grow quickly. I choose old tomatoes and firm seeds to grow young plants. After sowing the seeds, I will lightly mist the soil to moisten it and wait about 5-7 days. I will use the unused paint can to grow tomatoes. I will punch holes around the paint can to drain water and prevent the plant from being flooded. I took a discarded soda bottle and cut off the top and punched a hole in the bottom to throw away kitchen waste. For plants to grow healthily, the soil must be loose and rich in nutrients. I mix rice husks and worm castings with the soil to grow plants, because rice husks make the soil loose and worm castings make the soil more nutritious. I put the bottle in the middle of the bin so that when I throw the trash in, it will decompose into organic fertilizer. The fertilizer will flow out of the small holes of the bottle into the soil, and from there the soil will absorb it for the plants. After a few days, the seeds have sprouted and become very healthy young plants. I will plant them in a paint bucket. It's great that now I don't have to throw away my kitchen waste. I'll use it to make compost. It's great that now I don't have to throw away my kitchen waste. I'll use it to make compost. At this stage, the tree has taken root. I will dig a layer of soil on top and add more soil to the tree. After filling the soil, I will spread a layer of rice husks on top to help the plant retain moisture. To help the plant grow healthily, I add kitchen waste to the bottle to compost. I add quick powder to handle the garbage. At this stage, the tree is taking root, so it needs to be provided with nutrients. I put worm castings directly into the roots to help the tree absorb quickly. I watered it to help the fertilizer and soil soak into each other, helping the plant grow better. At this stage, the plant is growing very healthy, but to avoid nutrient deficiency, I add worm castings to the plant. I use liquid fertilizer mixed with water to water the plants. The liquid fertilizer is taken from sea fish soaked for a long time. At this stage, the plant is concentrating its nutrients on flowers and fruits. I mix chicken eggs with water to water the plant. Chicken eggs are rich in nutrients, stimulating flowering and fruiting. To prevent worms and fungi from entering, I cut the shallots into slices and put them in water to spray on the plants. The shallots are very effective in repelling worms and preventing fungi. Are you surprised? After only 50 days, the tomatoes I planted now produce beautiful and delicious fruit. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.